In my various forays into design offices, mostly large, I always ask this question about materials. And by and large, there's this blank stare. It's like, well, we really don't want to deal with that. It's too complex. It's too complex. And then I will ask the next question I ask is, how do you challenge the manufacturers that you're working with some of your need to create healthier materials, and ask them about the chemical composition of what they're bringing you. And let's say you're speccing enormous numbers of chairs and carpets and all of those things that go into these large jobs that they're buying for. And I would think that the manufacturer would want to listen. And in fact, the manufacturers say they want to listen. So where is this missed opportunity, and how do we fix it between the design community, the development community, the owner community, and the manufacturer that supplies those areas, whether it's building products or whether it's interior products? Because this, again, this is about that collaboration that we like to talk about. Symbiosis. Yeah. So what is stopping that symbiosis? Who's not asking what? Where do you see the bottleneck?
There may be many bottlenecks there, but one thing where I think we're really off, and I know we've all done little house projects too, and engaged in contractors, and you're back and forth on price, and well, what if I buy the materials myself, because you're marking them up 15% or whatever. I think we need to change the way that our materials are purchased. Because right now the incentives and disincentives are wrong to get the materials that we all want in our buildings. So it's in the realm of the general contractor, and the general contractor's in it to maximize their profit. Fair enough, there's nothing wrong with that. But that means you are going to get the cheapest product at the lowest level of quality that you will accept into your project. That's just the way our system is set up. We need to change that system. Our values, from the owner to the designer to the general contractor, need to be in symbiosis with the suppliers and the manufacturers, so that you're getting the highest quality at a price that works for everybody. So we need to change the way that we're purchasing. I think it's going to take a massive change. I think it's going to take a couple of key projects. This is what I saw when I was in the Netherlands. The general contractor is no longer responsible for purchasing those materials. The owner is responsible for that purchasing. And the designer and the owner and the general contractor all sit in a room and evaluate the suppliers for that project. And that way they ensure that they're getting the performance, the durability, the price point that they need, but also that it's meeting their values. So they're getting the highest quality for a price that's fair for everybody.